This video I'm going to be unboxing my new $150 gaming keyboard, and then we did some ASMR to see how it sounds. But before we start, I know you aren't subscribed. Hit that like button and subscribe on your way and enjoy the video. We're in the part of the unboxing. We're gonna unbox this beaut. This keyboard costs for $150 and $80 for this whole keyboard, and and $20 for the wiring, which is pretty cool. And yeah, also it has a lot of features, and $50 for the extra payments with the, I don't know what's it called,
shipping.
Shipping and taxes. I don't know. Yeah, something like that. So it's like around up to $150, which this looks so beautiful, and I really love it. So yeah. And also this mouse, it's fine, and if it's broken I'll decide to buy a glorious model or something. So yeah, let's unbox this. Also, we got Stormbot showing at the back.
Yo guys,
Be sure to comment down below and say hi to him. And yeah, we're gonna unbox this beaut, and then after that we're gonna do some ASMR, I guess. Oh my god, Stormbot! Any reactions, bro? How do I open this?
you gotta use the scissors.
Scissors.
Yeah, use the scissors. Hello.
This is so hot and very sexy. Holy shit. Stormbot, bro, look at this fire, bro. We'll plug this all and then let's see how does it look. We got a keyboard, boys. It's so hot. I really love this keyboard. I'm gonna upgrade the setup into a new setup very soon, guys. I promise you. For now, we're gonna be chilling with this keyboard and this mouse. So yeah, also I can make this kind of stand as well. Wait, oops. Okay. Let's hold it from here. Alright.
Do the asthma.
show you I can change. You ain't no perfect angel. Got my heart in danger. Don't wanna love no stranger. You my only angel. Baby, this love is suicide. Baby, I don't wanna die. Just give me one more time to show you